everybody, welcome to part 2 on how to make your legendary pizza at home. So now I'm gonna be working on the toppings. I'm gonna be frying in a pan with some olive oil my bacon, and I know I made this pizza extra kosher, but feel free to use any other ingredient you love. I'm gonna slice the bacon, put it in a pan, fry it. It is, I think, one of the most important things is to fry the bacon before you put it on the pizza. Make sure that it's fully cooked. I'm gonna also use some portobello mushrooms. I'm going to slice them as well. Oh my god, just look at this beautiful bacon. Yeah, so once it's cooked, I'm gonna be using the same oil I used for the bacon to cook the mushrooms, and it just gonna give them the extra kosherness it needs. Again, if you guys want to use any other ingredient, go for it. I'm just giving you my favorite recipe to make at home. Also, I'm caramelizing the onions because I just love the onion a little bit extra sweet when it comes on the pizza. Now we're gonna move to the dough. So the dough, as you can see, doubled in size. I'm gonna cut it to 4 pieces, and I'm gonna work it until I get the thin crust that I love. Again, if you prefer to have a thicker crust, go for it. I'm just giving you my personal preference. And I'm gonna pre-cook the dough too to make it extra crispy. So I'm putting it in the oven in very high heat and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes first, without anything. So after 2-3 minutes, take it out of the oven and I add the toppings. Tomato sauce, and look at this tomato sauce, beautiful. I'm gonna add the cheese, a lot of cheese, bacon, mushrooms, and my caramelized onion. Oh yeah, just look at this pizza. Alright, let's put it back in the oven, cook it for another 5 minutes, and here we go. Voila! Enjoy, guys. Let me know in the comments how your pizza turned out. Hope it turned out as amazing as this one did. Love you. Join me in the next video.